LGT Business Connections IPO coming up. Here's everything you need in just 60 seconds. IPO launch started August 19th, 2025 and closes August 21st, 2025, with listing expected on BSE SME on August 26th, 2025. Issue size and pricing. 28.09 Indian rupees crore raised via mix of fresh issue. Indian rupee 5.28 crore. Offer for sale. Indian rupee 2.81 crore. Price. 107 Indian rupees per share. Lot size. 1,200 shares. Minimum approximate 1.28 Indian rupees lakh. Usage of funds. Capital expenditure. Indian rupee 10.4 crore is almost equal to 43.7%. Working capital. Indian rupee 7.7 crore is almost equal to 32.3%. General corporate purposes. Indian rupee 3.8 crore is almost equal to 15.9%. Alternative breakdown. Some sources. 12.09 Indian rupees crore for debt repayment. 13 Indian rupees crore for expansion and operations. Balance for corporate purposes. Strengths. Pros. Consistent growth. FY25 revenue at 100.81 Indian rupees crore versus 89.53 Indian rupees crore in FY24. PAT up to 5.22 Indian rupees crore from 3.63 Indian rupees crore. Diversified travel services. End-to-end offerings. MICE, accommodations, ticketing, visas, cruises for both corporate and leisure clients. Scalable and efficient model. Driven by strong leadership, scalable operations, and efficient management. Risks. Cons. Concentration risks. Nearly all revenue from MICE and hotel bookings. Operations concentrated in southern India. Dependency on third parties. Heavy reliance on external vendors and aggregators, with no long-term supply contracts. Asset-light setup. Leased accommodations only could face operational disruptions if leases end. Working capital pressure. High capital needs and past negative cash flows may pressure liquidity. Sector competition and seasonality. Highly competitive travel market and demand fluctuations due to seasonal and macroeconomic changes. This is not financial advice. Always consult your financial advisor before investing.